You're not getting dinner. You was bad.
You don't even love me. You just want my snacks. His fat ass already popped the button.
Benji. Benji. Hey.
I'm so hungry, I could eat a damn dog.
Ready? Sneeze. Bigger. Don't jump on my couch. Allowed on the bed, you... No!
Then she tried to do it again, and I was like, are you dumb? Because that just doesn't make sense. Like, it just wasn't getting through to her.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you. Okay.
Whisper.